My name is Suarez. I'm a marketing specialist for surgical informatics products. I thought as a career, I'm going to stay in healthcare and I want to learn as much as I can about healthcare. And so that's when I decided to pursue an MHA. My job as a marketer is to differentiate our products. And one way to do that is to understand what your market needs are. Being in this MHA program was probably the best decision that I ever made because I get a chance to work with different administrators, with CEOs, CFOs, nurses. They share with you what their pain points are, what kind of products that they wish they had. Hearing directly from them is something that's so invaluable as a marketer, where I can go back to the sales force and our product and development and tell them this is exactly what they're looking for. This is what's going to make us different from our competitors. The fact that my peers are executives already in their field. The lessons that I'm going to learn from them are something so much more invaluable because they have the experience that I'm looking for, that I'm actually lacking because I'm not in that clinical setting. Part of my job is doing training with physicians, and I feel like I can have intelligent conversations with my target market because of the education and experience I've had in this program. If you really, really want to learn from the healthcare industry, I think an executive program would be the most beneficial for you because you don't want to just learn from professors, you want to learn from your peers.